Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But y'all already know how we do it over here. Before we get into the video, I almost messed that up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk y'all ears off. Let's get into this unboxing, man. I want to say these have to be the turbo greens. We did the row kits. We did the infrared. These have to be turbo green joints. And I am right. I am right. I am right. I am right. Nike, shit, whatever. Y'all already know what that is. And these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro OG High. Colorway on this is turbo green, sail white. Flip that lid. Ooh. And we have bling, blau, burr on the shoes, man. Ooh wee. And it's not even too exciting. I'm just glad that it's my pair because I seen these early at Chicago Emporium. This dude came in, cashed out $350 cash for him. $350 early out the door, cashed out. So I already had an early review on these, an early look on these. Y'all can check that out if y'all want to, man. But this is the official in hand from me, my personal pair. You feel me? But here y'all go, man. Extra spare laces right here. They came round, fruit roll up. This one is kind of fucked up though. Jumpman on the bag. As you can see, the bags are long. They're not like the short bags, but Jumpman right there, Jumpman right there. The laces are starting to unravel, but we're gonna do the review on the right shoe, which comes with the standard lace and all that. Pull the shoe tree up. As you can see, man, have that tumble leather, man. There's leather on these new ones. And stuff is crazy though, like it's coming pre-wrinkled already, like crazy pre-wrinkled already. Same kind of leather as like on those hyper crimsons or neutral gray. This is like that same type of leather, as you can see, already pre-wrinkled, crazy looking. You have that distressed suede or distressed, like I don't know what, like it's like either a thick hair ashy suede or I don't know what this is, but it's real distressed, like kind of like ripping up, like you can almost peel it off. Real rugged feel, but you know, it's dope on ones, man. I hope they don't put this type on like no other shoes. It's dope on ones because ones got that color blocking you want to see on with that type of stuff. Come factory lace, standard lace, Nike Air. In the tongue, you have that Charlotte blue or green, whatever they want to call it. I'm guessing it's a green. You have that Charlotte colorway. On the tongue, have Nike Air in that yellow. The swoosh is purple. You have the foam right here on the outline of the tongue, foam feel. And on the side panel, again, crazy leather, already come pre-tumbled. You have that Supreme I said Supreme.
Really, nigga?
Oh my goodness, hype beast alert. Spring 19 Air Jordan 1 How G right there. Kind of like, people say stop saying it's off-white, so you got, you know, the writings right here. You have that distressed swoosh right here. Stitching, almost on that swoosh. Dun dun dun. Nah, let me stop playing. But look though, wing, Air Jordan wing logo. This is not like a pure white. This is like an off-white as well. You have that distress right here, the neutral gray. Yeah, this is like the same like that neutral gray right here going on top of the heel. Same at the back of the heel. You have that distress vibe, little rough suede. Midsole of the shoe going all the way around. You have that yellowing like it's oxidized and it, oh shit son. Got like a little string right there. Hold on, where that shit at? Right there, bro. But like the shoe is yellowing already, like it already has age to it. Nike is really running with that. I don't know, the light is really trying to reflect the background to the shoe. But you have like the little yellowing midsole right there. Outsole of the shoe, that neutral gray or light gray type vibe going on with the outsole of the shoe. You know, like I said, I already gave y'all an in-hand look on these, so now I get to give y'all real quick dope on feet of these joints, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it on feet, and yeah, let's get straight to it.
Just touchdown, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Step in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Check it, I just picked up a load through the speed limit or below. Money going in and out the door, we steady going in and out with more. Bad bitches busting on the floor, and go if you ain't like what you here for. Netflix and chill, bitch, no. Chillin' ain't what you come around for. I don't know nothing about basic, but I had my dealings, so I got personal feelings. Niggas gon' hate just to hate, ain't gon' hate cause I'm gifted, but that's just the home in their system. I got a nigga that's hand up and got damned up cause his mama was snitching. You can't confide in nobody, only Lord knows but they can't know about it. It's like I swear to God, every time I come in this bitch, I just go crazy. I'm steady going crazy, bro. It's like I'm fucking their heads up, and they know this, and they can't deny me, G. You know what I'm saying? Low, just touchdown, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Stepped in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Stick 'em up, hit 'em up, tell the white man pick 'em up, he gone. I done at it all night long, I done did like 6 other songs. One of ones, these niggas clones, I can hear the static in his phone. He ain't got a ratchet in his home, but I heard he got that package in his home. That ain't my nigga cause he ain't been acting too right. I heard he been stomping the white, talking to bitches about business that he ain't been handling, like he came up overnight. At it for cash and I know I'ma do what I must, I refuse to go hungry at night. Mama gon' get her a life and I gotta do right cause I know she be worried at night. My little bitch wanna chill with me, but I told her she fucking this song and these niggas trying to get me and my ex is trying to get me, but I never go. Plug steady trying to front a bunch of shit, but he don't know that I'm swiping the low. PMG nigga too solid, swear to God, don't got our low. Just touchdown, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Step in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. I've been that nigga for so long, leaving these haters like so long. I'm finna snap on the whole song, take a loss and I bet I'ma go on. At the show I get the neck up until I go on.
Yo, man, so really hope y'all enjoyed that on feet, man. Let me know down there in the comment section, man. Did y'all cop these, man? Did y'all cop 2 pair, one to rock, one to stop, or one to rock and one to flip, man? How y'all feel about these laces I did, man? This is how I usually do all my Jordan 1s. That purple one it just didn't sit right with me, man. But this teal blue one or a turbo green one, this one's definitely fire in these joints, man. So let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section, man. Did y'all cop? Did y'all drop? Was they hot? Was they shot, man? And I know y'all might say this is late, but I did an early review on these joints, man. So check that out. This is mine. And yeah, man, hit that thumbs up button if y'all like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review. unboxing and no fee, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.
Shit, little nigga, bitch, I got my own gun. I ain't backing down from no one.